Welcome back. This is the first match in the semi-finals in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Friendship Primary on 6 and Mount Airy Primary on 4. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in mathematics, and it's Captain Adriel Ford from Friendship up against Lexon Morgan from Mount Airy. Adriel, what is the difference between 30 and 4.79?
25.21.
Correct. If a car travels 120 kilometers in an hour, how far will it travel in 1 hour and 30 minutes? Would you like to try, Lexon?
No, thank you.
It's 180 kilometers. Adriel, what is the HCF of 25 and 70?
5.
Correct. What is the product of 186 and 7?
1302.
Correct. On a 24-hour clock, the time is 0715 hours. What is the specific time on a 12-hour clock?
7:15 a.m.
Correct. Lexon, your questions. What is the sum of 37.9 and 78.7?
109.6.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Adriel?
Yes, please. 116.6.
Correct. Lexon, a biker travels at a steady rate of 80 kilometers per hour for 5 hours. How far did he travel?
400 kilometers.
Correct. What is the HCF of 21 and 45?
3.
Correct. What is the product of 269 and 5?
1345.
Correct. And on a 24-hour clock, the time is 1918 hours. What is the specific time on a 12-hour clock?
7:18 p.m.
Correct. We move now to science, and this is Dexter Bovell from Friendship up against Damir Horton from Mount Airy. Dexter, what is the name of the layer of gases that surround the Earth?
Atmosphere.
Correct. What name is given to a resource that can only be replenished over millions of years?
Renewable resource.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Damir?
No, thank you, miss.
Non-renewable resource. Dexter, what type of rock is marble?
Metamorphic.
Correct. A GMO is a plant or animal whose genetic makeup has been modified in a laboratory using special technology. What does GMO stand for?
Genetically modified organisms.
Correct. What is the name for a thin sheet of tissue or material that forms a barrier or lining?
Flesh.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Damir?
No, thank you, miss.
It's membrane. Your questions now, Damir. What is the name for very small droplets of water floating high in the sky?
Particulate matter.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Dexter?
No, thank you.
It's clouds. Damir, what name is given to the bouncing off or turning back of light, sound, or heat from a surface?
Refraction.
Incorrect. Would you like to try, Dexter?
Echo.
Incorrect. It's reflection. Damir, what type of rock is sandstone?
Sedimentary.
Correct. LNG is natural gas that has been cooled into a liquid form for ease of transportation. What does LNG stand for? Would you like to try, Dexter?
No, thank you.
Liquefied natural gas. And Damir, what is the specific name for the part of a lever to which you apply an input force?
Effort.
Not accepted. Would you like to try, Dexter?
No, thank you.
Effort arm is what we're looking for. We move on to English language, and this is Tashona Gale from Friendship up against Jacob Buchanan from Mount Airy.